This is a new features on PDD. Some people usually call it 𝐻𝐻, okay? So in this new feature, they just enrolled for what? They just enrolled English services on this app. And basically, we all know that when it comes to PDD, I always prefer to call it PDD. So whenever you see me calling PDD, it simply means I'm referring to 𝐻𝐻 app, okay? So before this time, they've been using Chinese version basically on that app because it's, of course, we all know it's for Chinese language and it's basically designed for Chinese language. But recently they started enrolling and they started upgrading their services, and I'm very glad today to tell you that the service, the app, is now available fully integrated in English language, which is what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's tutorial. So if this is your first time of joining our video, or if this is your first time of seeing a content like this, get to meet me. Of course, hi, I'm Samuel Joshua, and hi, I'm the CEO of Zionhublogistics Limited. Here we're like family. We discuss everything that have to do with arbitrage, e-commerce, how you can make money online, and most especially on importation business and exportation business. Okay, so what you want to do to join our community is just to subscribe to the channel, and I've also recorded a video on how you can sign up on 𝐻𝐻, how you can sign up on 𝐻𝐻 using different registration method. Of course, we all know that they now enroll different registration method. You can now use your phone number directly, you can use your Alipay, you can use 𝐻𝐻, you can use email, any of this method. I'm going to be leaving it. If you haven't gotten an account yet, I'm going to be leaving it under the description button on how you can sign up. Of course, I've recorded the video on how you can also add your warehouse address, everything you want to know about PDD. I've recorded the video on it. Okay, so after watching this tutorial, if you haven't created an account, you can just check under the description button of this tutorial so you all can see everything into details. Do it yourself, and any place you are not getting or you are being confused about, then you can reach out to our online customer representative with the number displaying on your screen. They are definitely going to attend to your message, see to it, and of course respond and interact with you directly. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into the video. If you are familiar with this app, you should understand basically how this app works. I have a beginner tutorial on how you can sign up accounts, chat supplier, things you need to know about this Pindoudou, and also what you need to take notes and the available payment solutions on this app. So all these things are available in this channel. I'm going to help you look for this video. I've created a playlist. Just check under the description button. You will see a drop down arrow. Just click on it. You will see those videos there. You can go and watch it before you proceed in today's tutorial. Okay, so and I also have a master class, a private training regarding this. Okay, all this information are just available on YouTube, but if you want to go detail into it to know everything about this app and how you can also make your purchase successfully without any third-party app, you are doing everything from yourself. We also have a private training for it, including the payment method for those who don't have a verified Alipay account, how you can use your MasterCard to make your purchase. All these things is available. All this training is available. You can reach out to us. That having been said, please, before I dive directly to this tutorial, it's not going to take 2 to 3 minutes. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel. We basically record everything that have to do with e-commerce, importation and exportation, how you can make money online. You can check all our channels. Okay, so please, to join our community, just subscribe to our channel. Let's dive into it. If you've already created an account, this is what you should have on your dashboard. So if you want to change, you can see here all these surfaces are in English language. If you scroll down, scroll up, go to anywhere, you will see everything. If you click on this camera here, you will see everything is in Chinese. So how do you now translate to English? It's very simple. Just come to this main section from here. just come to this main section. It will take you to this surface here. You see this settings icon here, click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to this settings. So here you can set your username, select change your password, do everything, log out. Okay, so we are coming to the sixth option here, which I'm presently circling. You click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you to this surface here. The first one here is your region. If you want to change your language here, you can use Google Translator to translate it, but you don't need that basically. The second one is the language, which is what we are presently looking at. So you click on it, then you want to select English because the first one is in Chinese, right? So you select English here. You can see that we've selected English and it has already been saved. So you want to click on this red to save this option to English, and boom, it's just a one-time click. You can see that we all have our PDD account in English version right now. So anything you want to do from here, if you click on it here, you will see that everything has automatically turned into English language. Then if you want to go from here, you'll see that everything has already turned into what? It has already turned into English language as well. So everything you are doing on the app now will be automatically translated to English. So it's as very simple and it's as very straightforward as that, right? So I hope you find value in watching this very short tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and also subscribe. Okay, I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can make payments with your debit card on Pindoudou. So thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you